Welcome, Mr. Madhusudhan, to the show.
Thank you.
When I heard the name Lucid, for a moment I thought it was to do with the diagnostic services, which involves, the blood test for the blood test and other tests for human being. But I understand that you are into industrial space. Could you talk about that?
Yes. So our domain is called non-destructive testing, NDT, also known as non-destructive evaluation, NDE. This is essentially diagnostics of engineering materials and components. Right? Like if we suspect a fracture in our bone, we would get an X-ray done. Right? So if you have a welded component or a casting, a pipeline weld, a casting, a part that goes on an aircraft, how do you know that the part is sound and safe to use? And obviously, you don't want to destroy it while you're inspecting it because you want to use it after the test. So therefore, you would use a set of tools called non-destructive testing. And these include tools like ultrasound, X-ray, even advanced cases, computed tomography, right? Which are very familiar from the medical world. They are actually the very same technique.
I understand, when it comes to diagnostics, X-rays, and CT scans for human being, where you can see a problem or an issue, and then you recommended that. But how do you do that for industries? At what stage do you do it?
Yeah. So this NDT is a part of regular quality assurance, quality control, as well as for asset integrity. Right? So, for example, if you're a company manufacturing parts for a aerospace company like Boeing or Airbus, or you're making parts that go in an aircraft engine, right? These have to be tested at various stages of manufacture. Yeah, you have to test at various stages of manufacture because every process can typically has a chance of adding a defect into the component or the material. And ideally, you want to catch the defect at the earliest cycle so that you can either reject or repair the part rather than spend a lot more money and time on processing it further. So the earlier you catch the defect, the better. What we are doing in the industry is essentially the industry is moving from the analog to the digital world over the last many years. Whereas this transition is largely complete in the medical world. In the engineering world, this is still work in progress.
Do you manufacture equipment or is it solution or both?
Yeah, so we provide solutions. While bulk of our offerings are software related, we work with a number of system integrators and we can develop full solutions for ultrasonic or X-ray testing. And we have done so not just in India, but also worldwide.
Your solution looks like it is more relevant to big industries, big companies like the aviation industry. Is there a use case for small companies as well, or medium-sized companies? And if
yes,
one of those areas,
it's a very essential quality too, right? So my view is we in India don't invest enough money on the hard tools of quality. That is why the questions are always raised. Why are our products not as good as those we can find elsewhere? Right? So one of the issues around that is the use of hard quality matrices. And NDT, especially digital NDT, is one of those hard quality matrices. And the size of the company is not very material. It is the criticality of the component that you are making. So many aviation companies that supply to the aircraft sector are not necessarily very large companies because the volumes are small.
How do you charge your customer? Is it per job work or is it as a subscription model through the year? How does it work?
We provide essentially software and systems, as I said. So typically the systems are purchased, right? So many of our customers include those who will then carry out inspection services. So we do not necessarily offer inspection services. That is the job of our customers. So we will provide software either on a lifetime model or on a subscription basis. There are many ways to skin the cat, of course. Also, a critical feature that we provide is the ability to actually customize this solution and do more automation. So actually the automation has been increasing in the industry, but the current pandemic has made this more or less a feature that everybody needs to have. More remote inspection, more automation, and all of this is playing very nicely into the role for more software, and that is what we are expecting our business to grow in the months and years to come.
So is there a growing awareness among Indian companies, especially from the medium or the small scale industries, for use of your technology, or even for the need for, for enhancing, they can enhance their quality control, quality by using your technology?
Yes, NDT is widely practiced. It is not very well known to the non-practitioner. Okay, it's a little bit of a dark art. You can call it a mystery or a dark art that knowledge of it is restricted to practitioners. But definitely the users have been, in many industries it is compulsory to use it. Because you take suppliers to the nuclear industry, right? We have a nuclear industry in India. We have automobile industry in India, which are fairly well established. So there are the suppliers to these do indeed carry out NDT. The changes that we are seeing is essentially the digital evolution of the industry. That is where it calls for more improved systems, solutions, as well as greater application for software, and that is the trend that we are indeed trying.
What needs to be done, either at the government level or the industry level, so that there is more awareness, growing awareness, and also the very requirement of bringing in such a technology becomes part of your system, part of your work culture.
Yes. So as I said, many industries have regulations, but typically what the users have done is stick very tightly to the dotted lines, right? So you check box, think that okay, I've done X-ray inspection. With the analog solutions like X-ray film, for example, there was not much more you could do with the data. But the idea that the data is valuable and it can be used to improve your process quality or improve your asset integrity, right? Because it's not just manufacturing, though the use case we're talking of is manufacturing. You can think of for example, you think of the thousands of oil storage, the oil or the finished good storage vessels, tanks that you find, right? If you go to the airport, you can see hundreds of these huge tanks. So these have to be periodically inspected because they are carrying a corrosive liquid, and any corrosion or erosion of that tank can lead to very bad effects for people. Right? So therefore, the idea that NDT data can be leveraged to improve product quality and can be leveraged to improve asset integrity management. This is the knowledge that is slowly starting to get in. Right? So how do you, and of course you will hear words like Industry 4.0. So NDT is a critical piece. Digital NDT is a critical piece of Industry 4.0. The NDT industry itself is moving to techniques of NDE or NDE 4.0 to match up with the developments in the industry.
What does it mean for a business like yours to be part of NASTech 2020?
Okay, I think it's a wonderful platform. It gives us exposure to a wider audience. As I said, NDT is a very niche piece and not well known beyond the practitioners and immediate users. So this kind of a platform gives us the opportunity to reach out to a broader audience of people who are, all of us are affected by quality of infrastructure every day of our lives, right? We need our trains to run safely. We need our planes to be safe, right? We need oil and gas pipelines to be safe. So this is a matter for all of us. And that's the message I would like to give.
MyStartup TV is a channel for startups and businesses like yours. It's our endeavor to create a platform, showcase your business like yours. When you hear that,
I think obviously as a fellow entrepreneur, I say full speed to you, and I wish you the best. I think it's a wonderful step that you are doing to bring to highlight stories of that may not be well known or be easily recognized. And I think that's a wonderful step, and I wish you the best of success.
Thank you, Mr. Madhusudan. Knowing that next time when I board a flight or a train, I know it has been X-rayed and tested for safety by a solution provided by somebody like you. Thank you
very much. Very much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.